Hi, this is Khalid Johnson from Bridgestone Property Solutions, and we buy houses all over Metro Atlanta. Thanks for visiting the website. I'm sure you have some questions about selling your home. Let me tell you a little bit about what I can do for you. I specialize in helping motivated sellers who are looking to sell their home quickly and easily. Growing up in a local area, I'm very familiar with the area and the real estate market. I understand that selling your home can be a stressful process, and I'm here to make it as easy and seamless as possible for you. I can offer you a cash deal, which means no commissions, no closing costs, and no repairs needed. The process is easy and quick, and we can close in as little as 7 days if that works for you. I can buy your home as is, which means you don't have to worry about making any repairs or cleaning up before you leave. I'll handle everything. You can walk away with cash in your pocket. If you're facing a difficult situation, such as foreclosure, probate, divorce, or just need to sell fast, I'm here to help. I can take the burden off your shoulders and make this process as easy as possible. If you're ready to sell your home for cash, don't hesitate to contact me. I'll be happy to provide you with a fair cash offer and answer any questions you may have. Thanks for considering me as your real estate investor.